This will be very controversial what I say just now, what I will say just now. Let's say it's 1 lakh rupees for the vaccine. All those people who have to go out to work to make a living today, they must get it first. If I am not the last person to take it, I will be among the last people to take it. I have made that decision. Well, somebody asked me about this in United States, Sadhguru, there are vaccines which are already validated in Russia. If you want, we'll get it for you. Why don't you take the vaccine? You're very important. So I told them, and I'm saying this in public today, that when the vaccine comes, if I'm not the last person to take it, I will be among the last people to take it. I have made that decision. It doesn't matter. I will be the last one or among the last group of people to take it. Having said that, why I am saying that I'll explain later. In terms of who should get it first, I think the logical answer will be those who are exposed most, those whose lives are most at risk. Medical personnel for sure, 100%. Police personnel who are active in duty, and unfortunately many officers have died, both in India and outside the country. And vulnerable populations like comorbid people who are like over 65, 70 years of age, but they can also restrict their lives and control it. But more vulnerable means more exposed, people who are working on a daily basis. It may be just somebody who, sweeps the floor in a railway station. It could be all those people who have to go out to work to make a living today. They must get it first. It is very important if you want to stop the pandemic. But whatever you do, people who have the money and influence will try to get it in their own way. So I feel this will be very controversial what I say just now, what I will say just now, but I would want people to think about it without reacting. I would say you must also make it available to rich and powerful and charge them big time. Let's say it's 1 lakh rupees for the vaccine. What we should do is, if somebody pays 1 lakh rupees for the vaccine, I don't know what's the cost, I'm just assuming, if it's 100 rupees cost for the vaccine, then this 1 lakh should be given. If one rich person or one, economically capable person gets it out of turn, that many vaccines must be given to people who cannot afford it. Some kind of adjustment, because ultimately you will need money to distribute.
Yes.
You will need economic prowess to distribute. So those who think they can pay for it, they must pay heavily so that others can get it, but that must be made mandatory, that underhand people will start getting anyway. Please understand this. I'm saying this just to prevent the corruption. This is not my priority, but to prevent the corruption, that people who can pay whatever, and black marketing of vaccines will happen, then fake vaccines will come. It is like liquor, when you ban the liquor, all kinds of things will happen. Suddenly, so many people will die consuming some spurious liquor. The same things will happen. Somebody will start selling gutter water as vaccine, and suddenly so many people will die. All these problems will come. So instead of that, in some way organize these corrupt minds in such a way that it'll benefit the country.